Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear student, this is our first lecture on chapter 2. Dear student, after this lecture, you can able to explain the concept and importance of journal. You can able to prepare journal entries. You can able to classify journal. You can able to define different types of discount. Dear student, journal. What is journal? Journal is a detailed account that record all the financial transaction of a business to be used for future reconciling of and transferred to other official accounts record, such as the general ledger. A journal states the date of transaction which account were affected and the amounts usually in a method. That means, dear student, journal is the primary books where we will record the transaction in a systematic way so that we can use it in future. And dear student, journal help us to prepare ledger and other books of accounts. Dear student, I hope understand what is journal. Dear student, now importance of journal. Why we will do journal? Dear student, at first, recording transaction. Dear student, you know that recording transaction is the primary objectives of accounting. With the help of journal, we record transaction because journal is primary books. Here we record transaction at first. Then knowing the total number of transaction, that means how much transaction occurred in our organization, we can know from journal. Dear student, we can know the total amount of transaction. What is the total amount of transaction of our organization? That also known from journal. Dear student, we can apply double entry system from with the help of journal. Dear student, with the help of journal, we can apply double entry system. Then we can explain the transaction with the help of journal. Dear student, we can reduce errors and faults with the help of journal because journal firstly recorded in journal, that means after occurrence of every transaction we will record it. That's why the errors and faults are reduced. Dear student, next importance is future reference. That means in future if there is any conflict, that time we can solve with the help of journal because after the occurrence each transaction is recorded in journal. And lastly, helping and to the principal books. Dear student, helping aid to the principal book. That means journal is the helping aid of principal books. You know that principal books is our ledger. Dear student, I hope all of you understand importance of journal. That means journal is necessary for an organization. Without journal, we cannot think of accounting. Dear student, now look at a specific of a journal, a specimen of a journal. That means this is the format how we will solve journal. At first you have to write the date of occurrence, such as at 1st January started business with cash taka 50,000. So at first you will write the date. Then here we will write particular, that means the related parties, like cash account debit, capital account credit, cash account and capital account, that means related party. Then LF, ledger folio, that means which ledger we will transfer this transaction, that will record. Then debit taka and credit taka, that means the amount we will record, debit amount in debit column and credit amount in credit column. This is the format of a journal. Inshallah next class we will do journal. Then dear student, now another important topics from this chapter. This is classification of journal. Classification of journal, that means how many types of journal. Dear student, this is important MCQ question. There are 7 types of journal. Look at first it is 2 types, special journal and journal proper, and special journal has 6 types. That means total 7 types of journal. Purchase journal, sales journal, purchase return, sales return, cash receipt, cash payment, and then journal proper. Dear student, there are 7 types of journal. If it is in the MCQ question, there are 7 types of journal, mainly 2 types, a special journal and journal proper, and a special journal are 6 types. Purchase journal, where you will record all the credit purchase. Dear student, this is another important question. Purchase journal, what types of transaction recorded in purchase journal? Dear student, in credit purchase, if you purchase on credit, that will recorded in purchase journal, and in sales journal we will record credit sales. That means if we sold goods on credit, that will recorded in sales journal. Purchase return journal, if you return goods, that will be recorded in purchase return journal. Sales return journals, if you get back goods from the seller, then it is sales return journal. And cash receipt, that means cash if you receive cash, any cash amount, that will be recorded in cash receipt journal, and if you paid any cash amount, that will be recorded in cash payment journal. Dear student, this is very important topics. I am telling again, listen carefully. Purchase journal, that means you will record all types of credit purchase. If you purchase on credit, that will be recorded here. And sales journal, if you sold goods on credit, that will be recorded here. Dear student, purchase return, to return goods. If you purchase goods, if any defective goods is there, that will be recorded here. Then sales return, if we sell goods and if it is returned, that is sales return journal. Cash receipt journal is we receive money, cash money, that will be recorded in cash receipt journal. And cash payment journal, if you paid cash money, that will be recorded in cash payment journal. If I say example, purchase journal, purchase goods from Karim, that will be recorded in purchase journal. Sold to Rohim, that will be recorded in sales journal. Return from Karim, that will be in purchase return journal. Sales return to Karim, that will be purchase return journal, and return from Rohim, that will be sales return journal. Salary paid, that will be cash payment journal. Rent received, that will be cash received journal. I hope all of you understand. Now journal proper. Dear student, mainly all types of transaction are recorded. These 6 types of transaction, if anyone remain left, that means the other types of transaction, whatever transaction left, the other types of transaction will be recorded in journal proper, will be recorded in journal proper. Like at rectification, that means if there is any correction, if there is any mistake done by accountant, that rectification journal will be in journal proper. Adjusting journal, if by mistake any transaction is left, that adjustment will be done here. Closing journal, at the end of the year, which whatever journal we have, we will give, that is closing journal. Opening journal, also recorded in journal proper. Then other journal like after this 4 types, if there is any other types of journal left, like asset purchase on credit or discount related transaction, that will be recorded in other journal. These are the classes of different types of journal. I hope all of you understand. If you have any types of confusion, you can make me telephone call anytime, dear student. Now last topics of today's, discount. Dear student, all of you know that if in 910 you learn discount. The discount is very important topics for doing journal. There are 2 types of discount, trade discount and cash discount. That means discount are 2 types, cash discount and trade discount. Discount means you know that rebate at the time of purchase or sales or receiving from debtor or creditor. If you paid or received less money, then it is discount. There are 2 types of discount, trade discount and cash discount. Trade discounts, this is related with purchase and sales. Dear student, trade discount, this is related with only purchase and sales. That means if you receiving from debtor, if any discount, or if you paid to creditor, if any discount, that is not trade discount. The other name of trade discount is business discount. Dear student, at the time of purchase, such as purchase from Karim 10,000 and Mr. Karim give you 10% discount. That means your amount of discount is 1,000. That is purchase discount. At the time of sales, if you sold goods to Rohim and if you allow 5% discount to Rohim, that is sales discount. So to purchase discount and sales discount are trade discount, and another name of trade discount is business discount. And dear student, this types of discount will not be recorded in accounts. Here only we will subtract. Like purchase from Karim, you will write purchase account debit, Karim account credit, or creditor's account credit. That means no discount account. On the other hand, cash discount means at the time of receiving from debtor or giving to creditor, if any discount received or discount allowed, that is cash discount. These types of discount will be recorded in the account. Like you paid to Karim 10,000 at the rate of 10% discount. That means Kurim account will be debited by 10,000, but credit cash account credit 9,000, discount account credit 1,000. That means these types of discount will be recorded in journal. For this types of transaction you have to give journal. That means at the time of giving uh, receiving from creditors, if you allow any discount, that is discount allowed. At the time of paid payment of debtors, payment to debtors, if you receive any discount, that is discount received. So these are the discount allowed and discount received. Dear student, for journal you have to know the debit and credit formula. You know that asset and expenses increase debit, decrease credit. On the other hand, liability, equity, revenue,